your tutorial for the family dance. I'll be playing your part and this will be the front. So we have our partner's hands here. We're gonna do 3 of these steps. So front, back, rock, step, that's 2, and then this is 3. Now we're gonna do our little roll thing here and rock, step. That rock step is always with the front foot, the foot that's closest to the front, so rock step. Now they're gonna do an arabesque and go out, and then you're gonna roll them back in, and then we roll out, and then we come back to here. And we're gonna do our step again, front, back, rock, step, just one of them, and then we do a roll again, rock, step. Now from here we're gonna do another rock step. This one goes into the spin out. You're gonna take this front hand and spin out, then they spin back in, and then we do our rock step. Then you spin them in towards you, and then out towards, back to here. Then we do our rock step again. Now here's our double spin, so you're gonna go spin around. We do that again, rock step, spin around. We're gonna do a rock step again. This one is our kicks. So you're gonna kick to the back first, holding this back hand. So kick, kick, step, kick, kick, and rock, step, back, and kick, and kick, and rock, step, back. Double spin again, and around. Rock, step, double spin, around. Now we're gonna go rock, step, spin. Rock, step, spin. Rock, step, spin. And then she's gonna do an arabesque out here, and then you're gonna spin her and come back to here. And that is all we've learned so far. Thank you so much.